In the Contacts module, we'll find all individuals in our database. We can choose to organize this view alphabetically by clicking on the different column headers. Other features include a search bar, the option to add a new contact, copy or delete the selected individual, and add new data. For more details, let's click on the contact's name. Under Contact Summary, basic information is displayed in the Contact tab. The Profiling tab contains custom fields to capture profiling data. Information can be modified by clicking on the Edit button. The contact can be removed from the database by clicking on the Delete button. In the Activity window, we have a view on which lists this contact is associated to. Emails that have been sent to them from your synchronized email platform. Mass mail campaigns associated with that contact. Calls made with a connected voice over IP phone. Links that they have clicked on in mass mail campaigns. Call permissions. And any automations associated with the individual. We also have a view on tasks, opportunities, documents, and relations specific to this contact. And that's a short overview on this module. Explore more detailed videos on the CentrixOne Academy, or talk to your account manager for a demo or further training.